Frozen. Nope. Hey everybody, it is Kim Say LaMeel, the money goddess from LaMeel.com and the manifesting bitch. And right now, today, this is I know it's been a while since I've done an income empowerment video for you, but I've got a really great one. So I keep getting all these messages. I get messages on Twitter, on Telegram, under my videos about Bitcoin. We're still investing in Bitcoin, but not on that same platform. What I have for you, and what am I suggesting for you and for everybody, is to get into forex trading. And the reason is that you can do long-term and short-term investments. It's something that you can do yourself. You can do really, really easily. You can get in on some group trading. You can copy trades, so you don't have to know anything, but you can watch your account grow. So right now, I am trading with a new company. I'm trying to get comfortable here. And great. So, and it is called Copy Paste Success. Okay. And the way that Forex works is that you're trading foreign currency, right? You have this currency, you're buying another currency, and then you're selling it to make a profit. That's really what you're doing. And again, there are a lot of professional insider traders that really know how to do this, make a living doing this. I have had the privilege of meeting some people who are making hundreds of thousands of dollars in 30 and 45 days trading. I'm not saying that that's where you're going to start, but it is where you could definitely go. Okay. And so I've gotten into Forex market. You've seen it on the website, I'm sure. You've seen the course, you've seen the videos. And for a while I was with iMarkets Live, and I think it's a great company, but I'm not with iMarkets Live right now because their company is mostly informational based and their trading was on a very small scale. So the concept of that company and the company that I'm with now is still very similar. You get to copy trades. Okay, so you don't have to know anything. You're going to set up your account. You're going to fund you fund your own account directly with your broker. You can use whichever broker you want, and then you get the trades and you copy the information in, right? And you have to use some risk management, which you'll learn about, but you watch that money grow. You hit the button, you say I'm out, you cash out, and depending on your broker will determine how fast you can actually get the money back to your bank account. But you can do this every day. You can make several trades a day. Trading happens from Sunday night to Saturday afternoon, because you're trading foreign currency. So you're trading all over the world. They don't have the same weekend holiday schedules and all that kind of stuff that we have here in the US. So trading could be a full-time job, and it has proven to be very lucrative for myself, even not knowing anything. And the reason that I switched companies, because I literally at this point am still just copying trades. Okay, I am learning about Forex and how to read the signals and all of that wonderful stuff, and I've made a few trades on my own, but the bulk of my income is coming from my copy paste trades. And when I was with iMarkets, they trade mostly for foreign currency. Okay. But the trades are small. They have a lot of different traders who send out these signals and says, this is what I think you should be trading. This is what I'm trading. And then you decide if you're going to copy and paste, and you can make some money with that. If you are not really in a huge team or in a team that has a professional trader, you miss out. There are some people there who get into little cliques, and maybe their group will make you their group leader will have you pay something extra, and they'll share their trades with you. So if you're lucky enough to do that, that's awesome. The problem is not everybody can do that, and it would be impossible for me to say, hey, you should do this. I see a piece of hair. You should do this, and then it not be available to you, right? And I got in with a lot of expectations on those copy and paste trades, and the money just wasn't there. So I did join another company, and I'm part of a couple of other groups, and I am still doing copying and pasting. The new company right now, you can get in absolutely free. You can start trading, and that's really what I want to talk to you about. You can join this company because the other company had a relatively large investment, and then you have the learning curve. And so for most people, unless you have someone who was very involved hands-on with you, the consensus, because I was talking to a lot of people who were already in the company well before me, if you didn't have somebody that was on you walking you through it, you didn't make money right away, right? And so then you were paying out a monthly fee. Right now, this company is in pre-launch that I have been copying and pasting with trades. And right now you can get in as of today. Today is 6/18/18. You can get in for free, and it will be free for another 17 days before they go, or 18 days before they go into full-blown launch. If you watch this video afterwards, they will give you I think it's a week free, so that you can see and test out the trades, decide if you like it, and then you would start paying the monthly fee for the copy and pasting. Now, the other thing is that I learned was that trading foreign currency is not where the overnight money is. Okay, so it is foreign currency. You make some money, you make, and maybe for you, maybe the $50 per trade, maybe $50 a day really works well, will really work well and meet your goal. Okay, but if you're trying to, create generational wealth, if you are trying to leverage where you are so you can get to the next level, $50 extra a month or a day even is not going to get you there. So I learned, using the Forex market, you can trade in gold and oil. And that is where you can put in a trade and, make a few $1,000s on that one trade in a day. Okay, or hundreds of dollars, but you've got multiple trades that you can make that day. So when you combine trading gold and oil with currency and Bitcoin in the foreign exchange market, on the Forex platform, now you have access to real vehicles that can take you to the next level. So right now, the link is below this video. All you have to do is click on the link. You join for free. They are going to give you your account. You sign into your account. Once you get in there, there's a button that says send the person that you signed up under an email. Let them know you're here. Send me an email. Be like, hey, LaMeel, I'm here. And then get into that Facebook group. That Facebook group is not monitored by me. I will be starting one once we hit a certain number of people. I wanted to work this for a while before I shared it. So that's why it's like, well, why did you wait till it's, 14 days left? I wanted to know, of course, that it was easy and my kids could do it. Somebody else could do it, that type of thing. But join for free. Get in there. Send me an email. Get in the Facebook group. The Facebook group is going to give you some videos to watch. Watch those videos. I'm going to email you the options for creating your own brokerage account. You can go set that up. You fund that directly, not through me. And what was the other thing I wanted to tell you? So, and then I will walk you through, once you have your broker's account set up, you're going to get a demo account, and you're going to start trading through Copy Paste Success on a demo account, so you can see you're not losing any money, you're not really gaining any money, you're practicing, so you can see whether or not it's something that's really right for you. Now, if you know that you want to, you've got anywhere from $50 to $100 that you just want to double in the next 30 days, you can get into my personal Forex exchange group, and we are trading, and we're only trading in gold and oil, and we're doing that as a group, right? So what does that mean? That means that all the money is traded together, and then when that money doubles, everyone gets paid out. That's as simple as it happens, as it goes. And the last payout that we did, it literally happened in days, okay? But right now the consensus is about every 2 weeks. So if you would like to get involved in the group trading, and so really the promise is simply you don't lose any money, number one. So either you get in, you receive in 30 days whatever your profit is. The average profit is double. For some people, it's more. Most people, once they get notified that their investment has doubled, they decide if they're going to let it ride again or if they're going to withdraw it. But all of that communication happens, individually and directly, so no one knows how much you have or anything like that. If you want to get into that, the link to send us an email, please put in the email that you want to join the group trading. But the requirement for the group trading is that you join Copy Paste Success right now while it's free. Why? Because I'm doing group trading right now, and I will probably always have that open. But when it goes live, the people that are in the group trading it's going to be for my team or for people that have been with me prior to that. Okay, so it's not going to be like, oh, hey, I'm Sally Mae, you know what I mean, and everybody just turn over money, because we want to keep that group tight. We want to keep the energy right, and so forth. So if you're in Copy Paste Success, and the other thing is that you're going to be learning what's actually being done with that, $50 to $100 that you've put into the group trading. So you're learning it for yourself. And what will happen is that you'll be able to take that money and put it into a live broker's account and start trading with Copy Paste Success without having to do hundreds of dollars in opening a broker's account and that type of thing. If you're trading with me and you take that money and you put it into your personal broker's account, and then you start trading with Copy Paste Success as well as with me, you're learning. You're going to learn how to do it. You're going to learn how to read it. When I tell you this is the trade that we're in, you're going to understand it. You're going to be able to track it yourself in the scanners. So it's an excellent educational piece. And right now, for the next 2 weeks, it's free. Right? All you're doing is, if you're going to do the group investment, is make that group investment. And the only promise that we're making is that you're not going to lose any money. Okay, so if you're investing with us, you will get at the end of 30 days, worst case scenario, you get what you invested back. That has not been the case in the last 60 days with the people that we've been working with, but there's no money loss. And you're learning how to trade yourself, okay? And you are trading with Bitcoin. So you're on that Forex market, you're trading Bitcoin, you're trading oil, and I got an oil course. You are trading gold, and I've got, and actually I'm making a video probably tomorrow about open your gold international savings account. So you're going to be trading in all of these markets that I've been talking to you guys about for 2 years now, and making the money and doing the damn thing. And so this year could really, really end differently for all of us by doing this. I met somebody who made he was like, I made $200,000 in the first quarter, the first 3 months of the year, right? So just in trading. So you can get really involved in this, and there is an educational aspect of it that doesn't involve me. Your money is your money. No one at this company nor my company has your money when you're dealing with a broker's account, and it's a beautiful thing. So both links will be below this video. If you're watching this video on I don't know, Facebook or in one of the groups or what have you, click it, go over to YouTube and hit the links and join and send me emails. I want to hear from you. I want to answer your questions. When I get enough questions, I will make another Q&A Forex video for you. But this is as easy as it gets in terms of actively generating wealth, income, and funding some of your dreams. And this is something that is tried and true, and people have been doing this for decades. So I look forward to hearing from you, and I will see you guys in the next episode.